How to make $3,000 a day with adult CPA marketing. Now, I have made way more than $3,000 a day with adult CPA marketing. I've made less than that and way more than you could ever imagine in a day before, like 6 figures in a day, multiple times. That's with big paid traffic campaigns. I'm not some person who creates content, adult marketing, or gets all, exposed for the camera, but I'm a marketer behind the scenes who's promoting offers. And if you wanted to do the same thing as that, all it takes is you just go to a platform like Traffic Junkie is the main one. There's also ExoClick is another one I use, and then Arrow Advertising. Those are the top 3 I recommend. Then you just do paid marketing and paid ads. You can also do this with mainstream traffic. And there's just so many social media sites out there. What do I say? There's so many social media platforms, as you know, and they've got really warm traffic, really quality freaking traffic out there that you could promote with, and it's just more quality than adult sites. But adult sites are just cheaper, less strict. There's tons of traffic. There's like no competition, and that's like some of the best stuff about it. So anyway, if you wanted to crush it and make $3,000 a day with adult CPA marketing, you can definitely do that. I think that depending on your cash flow, if you have, let's say you have $1,000 in the bank or something, your cash flow would be interesting because you would have to take massive risks to make it work. Like for sure. You'd have to manage your money really well, and you'd have to get lucky with a successful campaign. Now, what do you sell? What do you promote? The things you promote are usually CPA offers and affiliate offers, or your own offers, but usually it's going to be affiliate offers. So you find really high quality affiliate offers, and then you start testing them. You set up campaigns, you start testing them. You basically create a few different ads, and then you split test these ads, and you basically assume the best targeting for the offers, what country it is, and then the different sites you want to advertise on. But usually it always comes down to that offer. The traffic's always there. It just comes, and plus you want to have such a good offer that it doesn't matter about being hyper-targeted. You want to be able to scale to the moon just super fast and not have any worries, because when you scale a big campaign, you want to be all over the place. That's how you crush it with paid marketing, just direct linking to offers you're selling and promoting and products you're selling and promoting. That's how you crush it, make like $3,000 a day, all the way to $10,000 a day, 6 figures a day. And when you scale campaigns, you want to basically scale them like within a few months or less. This is how my biggest campaigns are done. The most money I've made with a campaign ever is like over $2 million in just like a month or two. Okay. That's my biggest campaign ever, and it was direct linking. It was like 3x ROI, I think, something around there. And I'm pretty proud of that because it was my dream always to be able to accomplish that goal, and I was able to do it after failing a lot of different times, test campaigns. But the way I do it is I'll pick 10 different offers that I think are really good. I may pick them all across the board, different like CPA networks and different affiliate networks, different offers, everything. I'll test them. I'll put together a bunch of ads, a plan for the targeting. I'll set up all the campaigns. I'll run them. Usually I test with like thousands and thousands of dollars, up to like $30,000 testing. But you could test with $100 or less per campaign if you wanted to start small. But I like to get a lot of data to know what works and know what works. And so that's how I run things, doing that. And then after I look at the data, I see, okay, 2 offers and campaigns are just performing just like the best out of all the rest. And so what I do is from there, I look at the data, and then I run with, and then I optimize from there, and then I run with and scale with those 2 campaigns. And both of them may do really well, or maybe one may outperform the other, and then I just scale with one campaign, one offer as fast as I possibly can with the best ad and targeting I can, but usually not just like the targeting is not specific. It usually is broad and multiple ads. They're similar to that main ad, but different placements all over the place. That's how I do it. Now, if you want to make $3,000 a day consistently, usually with paid ads, you're scaling bigger and bigger. So it's possible, yeah. It's just a number at the end of the day. How it works in real life is it's all over the place for sure. Your cash flow is going to usually scale up though. You're going to spend money and keep throwing more and more money into your ads until you can endlessly make endless money, okay? And until it starts to die down or break even is when you turn it off. That's how it works. That's how you scale. That's how it's done. Now, if you want to do it with free traffic, how you crush it with adult marketing with free traffic is you make a lot of content. It could be content of offers. Maybe it's an adult offer and you have to blur out stuff, but you're making entertaining content. Maybe you go on this site called Omegle, and you interact with strangers, and maybe you talk about an offer and review an offer and ask entertaining questions relevant to an offer you're promoting. It could be a dating site, it could be a gaming offer, like a video game offer, or it could be a cam site or anything like that you're promoting by just making content, just recording your screen, talking to people on Omegle. I'm telling you, that's like a very good strategy that can work. And then you upload to YouTube, you upload to Facebook, but mainly the top two platforms for free traffic is YouTube, guess the other, TikTok, okay, both of those. Mainly YouTube though. YouTube is where the most traffic in the world is, but TikTok has a lot of viral potential. But YouTube's more long-term and your content gets found like forever, okay? It can be searchable forever, it's powerful. So that is how you crush it with adult marketing, and you can make $3,000 a day.